Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to integrate SSLCommerce in your Shopify store. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you have to know is that your Shopify store should be located in Bangladesh and sell to Bangladesh customers. If you do not meet these requirements, then you won't be able to use SSLCommerce. Now, assuming you have these two that are available, let's get straight into the tutorial. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to the apps section here and click on add. And then here you will have to search in the Shopify App Store. So here, as you can see, we have the Shopify App Store, or you can also go to the search bar here and then search for SSL Commerce. Now, as I said earlier, if your primary location isn't in Bangladesh, you won't be able to do this. And in my case, I can't find SSL Commerce in the Shopify App Store. So I have to go manually into the apps.shopify.com/SSLCommerce to open the SSL Commerce app. Now, this app isn't compatible with my store because I can't sell in Bangladesh, just because I have to fill out some tax forms that are not available for me right now. So I can't really do that, but I'm going to show you the tutorial anyways. Either way, it's not really complicated. You just need to search for this app and then click on add here. So once you click on add here, you will just need to log into your SSL Commerce account. If you haven't made an account yet, you can sign up in 5 minutes for a free 7-day trial. And here, as you can see, it's very easy to activate. There is a simple integration system and 30 plus payment plans and 30 plus banks are available. And that's it. It's very easy. You won't need to just complicate it. It takes 5 minutes to do, and it will offer a ease of use to your customers when paying. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.